Hey everybody, Keith Best here, and in this video, I'm just going to go through and show you the link builder in Local Content Engine. What I'm going to do is use this Boca Raton site again because it's already got some keywords ranking. And the position 27, it seems to be doing the Google dance. That's what I had a search for before. It had disappeared, but early on this morning, it was around about position 27. What I need to do is go into Local Content Engine and go to the link builder and put my target URL in. Now, what I'm going to do, if we have a look here, I'll go into this one and do draw a circle with a map because there's a number of things you can actually do. So if we go to Boca Raton, Florida, if we put that at a 20-mile radius, that's what my site is. Draw a new circle. As you can see, inside this circle, we've got Boynton Beach, Rio Beach, Boca Raton, Pompano Beach, and Fort Lauderdale. And obviously, just outside of that circle, you've got like Miami. And I know we've got a Jupiter site up there. But I'm going to leave Jupiter site because I want Jupiter site to, I'm going to push Jupiter site as well. But Boca Raton seems to be a good one. Looks like it's a fairly biggish town. So let's see if we can push it up a bit. Okay, so when we have a look at Boca Raton pages, obviously I can send all of the links to the front page, but I have actually got a Fort Lauderdale, which is there. And I've got a Pompano Beach, which is there. But have I got them other sites as well? I'm sure I've got a return. Yes, I've got a Fort Lauderdale site. So what I'm going to do is have my target URL as this here. And I'm going to do, where's it gone? So I want that. Be there. Now, you can have your own anchor text if you want, which is custom. So you would put in what you want, and you can add different anchor text. So if you're going to do multiple sites, you can change it around a bit, or you can just do AI placement, and it basically picks up the anchor text itself. So from this one, what I want to do is I want a link from my Fort Lauderdale site, which is this one. So one of the pages on Fort Lauderdale, it will link to this site. So I'll be getting a link from Fort Lauderdale site to my Fort Lauderdale page. And then obviously you've got republish to WordPress immediately. This is going to create the backlinks. Okay. So then backlinks are now queued and now going. So now I can do another one. So let's say now I do want to go to my home page because I don't think I've got any others in there. I've got Pompano Beach, Rio Beach, and Boynton Beach are the sites I've got. So look, I've got a Rio Beach and I've got a Boynton Beach. I could put them to the same pages, but instead I'm just going to do one to. We've got a West Palm Beach. West Palm Beach. Yeah. Um, I've got Miami, so I'm going to go from Miami to Boca Raton. But this time I want that. Do that. Go to here. This time, my target URL is the home page. I'm going to leave it on AI placement. In fact, no, I'm going to put this in and I'm going to do Boca Raton. Okay, so that's going to be my anchor text. And then I want to find Miami. There we go. So on there, and then do create backlinks. So this one is now completed. So if we look at the details, what we've got, the target URL is Fort Lauderdale. So inside there, it's got it's gone sunrise, expert repair assistance in Fort Lauderdale. So if we open that, so the actual AI has actually picked that. So let's have a look, expert. That. And this is the link here. Nearby areas we serve. In addition to sunrise, we do that. And then it's got this link here, which when we click on it, takes us over to our Boca Raton site on the Fort Lauderdale page. That's that one done. And then let's just see if the other one is done. Refresh the page. So this one is completed. So let's have a look at details on this. Expert appliance repair service in North Miami. North Miami appliance repair. Let's open that. That. And it's here. Appliance repair services, no Boca Raton, and it goes to the home page. Nice and easy way to do links. You don't have to think about it, especially if you use AI, and it gives you nice contextual links. So we'll wait and see how this does in a week or so. See if it's pushed it up or anything like that. Okay, guys, catch you on the next video. Bye.